take a look at this little adorable craft that I was given so I could give you guys a review.
We are so excited to be able to review this absolutely adorable painting cat craft. We love crafts in our house. I love that it comes with everything you are gonna need. Let's take a look at what's inside the box and have some fun.
This is everything that comes in the box, and I was honestly really impressed with literally everything is inside that you're going to need, from the paint to the little palette to the stickers and to the cat itself. And I absolutely loved how the cat was kind of portioned off to have the different segments on it so that it's easy to paint. The bottom is a really simple push button for the light. You can see that it is a bright light, but it also goes through the different rainbow and changes color. So it's so fun if you want it off or if you want these different color options. I love that it came with the little instruction manual on exactly how you can blend different colors, and it was so easy to be able to apply the paint, and it dries pretty quickly, and it was so fun to be able to do this craft with my little one and just spend that time together. She can be creative and so can I. This would also be a really fun thing to do if she had some friends over to grab a couple of these kits. It came with all the different paint colors that you could want, as well as these really fun stickers that you can put on after the cat dries. We use them to make the eyes as well as the cute little hands. She was so proud of what she created, and we have it around the house. We have it on our mantle so that she can show everybody that comes over what it looks like. It was something that was really fun to be able to do together. Also would be a great activity if you have someone that is a little bit older and would really make a fun party activity. The quality of all of the materials were really great. I would definitely recommend checking out this kit. We absolutely loved it, and it is something that we love moving around different places in the house so that she can really be able to see what she created. It was so much fun. We definitely love it.